Lord, in this matter,
Whose
my Lord,
gold is this? Whose gold?
my Lord, this is only an
Take
allegation.
orders and walk away. Those people come in behind my back. Orders are passed and thursday. Whose gold is this pledged?
My Lord, I will
I am
make.
not closing it by passing similar orders.
No, my Lord, I'm on another point, my Lord.
What prayer, sir?
My Lord, am I permitted to pass one citation, my Lord?
No. First tell me what's your prayer, then we'll go to the citation.
We are only seeking that
What?
it should not be seized as of now,
No,
but
sir.
let them conclude the investigation.
I will not stall the hands of the investigating agency by any way.
But for that reason, my Lord, my rights under 173 to 178 I ask also
No
to see.
problem. You can ask the concerned court if you want.
Please let it be with the bank. Let not be alienated.
I am asking, whose gold is that? What is
It's only an
what
allegation.
is in your possession? Whose gold is that?
My Lord, at the time of
Who is
accepting
the complainant here?
complainant, my Lord, it required, my
Who
Lord.
is the complainant?
But I am not even aware who is the complainant.
ಇದೇ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಆಗಿರೋದು ಎಲ್ಲ ಸಿಮಿಲರ್ಲಿ ಸಿಚುಯೇಟೆಡ್ ಕೇಸ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ
ಇಲ್ಲ ಅದು
ಮಾಡಿ ಆಗಿರೋದು.
ಇಲ್ಲ ವ್ಯೂ ಬೇರೆ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ.
I will follow this and dismiss
No,
it.
please hand over my
No
suggestions.
problem. I will distinguish everything. Give it. Also, sir, I'll dismiss it. You can take it to the apex court.
My Lord, fresh matters, my Lords.
Sorry?
In the fresh matters.
Oh, freshest.
My Lord,
matters,
the
yes.
only
This is the problem. If we are all following a particular order without looking into the facts and straight away passing
Absolutely,
orders
my Lord,
in
the-
favor of all these people, whose gold is pledged? Where is the complainant? They have to see who is the complainant. Without hearing the complainant, we straight away say gold should be returned to you.
Only
should be kept in
I am
safe
seeking
custody.
for
No, sir.
some guide. Lord, in this matter, my
Whose
Lord.
gold is this? Whose gold?
My Lord, this is only an
Take
allegation.
orders and walk away. Those people come in behind my back. Orders are passed and thursday. Whose gold is this pledged?
My Lord, I will
I am
make.
not closing it by passing similar orders.
No, my Lord, I'm on another point, my Lord.
What prayer, sir?
My Lord, am I permitted to pass one citation, my Lord?
No. First tell me what's your prayer, then we'll go to the citation.
My Lord, in
Facts
this,
mel bani first.
we are only seeking that
What?
it should not be seized as of now,
No,
but
sir.
let them conclude the investigation.
I will not stall the hands of the investigating agency by any way.
But for that reason, my Lord, my rights under 173 to 178 I ask also
No
to see.
problem. You can ask the concerned court if you want.
My Lord, only one submission. This is my submission. My Lords, may kindly hear me for a minute.
Yes, sir.
My Lords, in this matter, the 8 learned judges of this honorable court has taken a view that at the time of investigation need not be seized. Let it be with the bank. Let not be alienated.
I am asking, whose gold is that? What is
It's only an
what
allegation.
is in your possession? Whose gold is that?
My Lord, at the time of
Who is
accepting
the complainant here?
complainant, my Lord, it required, my
Who
Lord.
is the complainant?
But I am not even aware who is the complainant. I have received at a notice, my Lord, it's an answer D, and asking us to produce it. When we had given the entire details. In page number
Who is
20,
the complainant? Yes, AGA.
Similarly situated cases, my lords, the view has been.
ಇದೇ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಆಗಿರೋದು ಎಲ್ಲ ಸಿಮಿಲರ್ಲಿ ಸಿಚುಯೇಟೆಡ್ ಕೇಸ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ
ಇಲ್ಲ ಅದು
ಮಾಡಿ ಆಗಿರೋದು.
ಇಲ್ಲ ವ್ಯೂ ಬೇರೆ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಡಿಸ್ಮಿಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ.
dismiss, my Lord. I am also on that point only.
ಡಿಸ್ಮಿಸ್
Ah,
ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ.
yes, sir.
Please, madam.
I will
That
follow
also-
this and dismiss
No,
it.
please hand over my
No
suggestions.
problem. I will distinguish everything. Give it.
My Lord, the only my submission is, my Lord, may kindly see section 7 of High Court Act. It says that, my Lord, there are different view. It need to refer to the larger bench. Then, my Lord, may I kindly see, my Lord, page number.
That also, sir. I'll dismiss it. You can take it to the apex court.
My Lord, sir, my Lord, may I kindly hear me for a minute. Then, my Lord, in Union Territory of Ladakh, page number 35, my Lord, para 26.
Page
number
We
26.
will hear you on 30. AGA is directed to accept notice for the respondent, secure instructions and make his submissions.
In fresh
Yes.
matters, my Lords.
Sorry?
In fresh matters.
Oh, freshest.
My Lord,
matters,
sir, the
yes.
only issue is that, my Lord, my only submission is that I am not seeking for any order.
No
The
problem.
matter need to be referred to larger bench and the issue
I
need
will
to be
not do
settled.
that, sir. You can take it to the apex court. I will follow the other order, which is detailed, and dismiss it.
But if that case, my Lord, I follow it, my Lord, I will, the only issue is, my Lord, the matter need to be settled. There are many cases where even 498 cases have been registered.
This is the problem. If we are all following a particular order without looking into the facts and straight away passing
Absolutely, my Lord,
orders in
the-
favor of all these people, whose gold is pledged? Where is the complainant? They have to see who is the complainant. Without hearing the complainant, we straight away say gold should be returned to you, should be kept
Only
in
I am
safe
seeking
custody.
for
No, sir.
some guidelines, my Lord, some direction. How it should be ascertained, on what cases, on what grounds it has to be removed.
We'll
All
see,
those
sir.
has to be considered, my Lord.
We'll
It
see.
cannot be, my lord, it cannot be, this order cannot be followed in favor of us in all the cases. I totally agree. But at the same time, my lord, it need to be followed in certain cases in favor of us. There are cases where, my lord, the father is filed complaint against his son. In a 2 crore loan has been pledged. In
That is
that
why
case,
all those matters are cases of investigation. We will not
Lord,
permit.
at the time of investigation, my lords, if the gold pledged by son is being removed and handed over to the father without a single rupee is being paid. In
That is why,
498 case.
make the complainant a party. We will hear all of them and pass orders. Without the complainant, I am not going to pass any order in cases of finance. Because there are so many cases filed back saying, without hearing me, gold is taken away. No, will not do that.
In that case, my lord, we are also not heard before by the learned magistrate in many cases.
That we'll see.
Many cases, my
If
lord,
that
under
is the case,
451.
if that is the case,
452.
sir, if that is the case, we will set things right. But following a particular order and closing the petition, I
No,
will
my lord,
not do.
today, my lord, I'm not on that ground. It need to be some guidelines need to be followed, framed and need to be settled, my lord, once and for all, my
We
lord.
will do that.
That is only my submission.
That's no problem.
It cannot be continued like this. I totally agree, my lord. In case of, if it is chain snatching case, definitely it need to be recovered and handed over to the complainant, de facto
In
complainant.
a chain snatching case, it's a different thing.
Definitely, my lord.
In other things where gold is pledged, it operates on a different circumstance.
It is a
Complainant has to
498
be heard.
case.
Or something is stolen, 379 cases registered, it is there with you. Straight away give it off without and saying that it will be in your custody as and when investigation.
There is a case pending, my lord. One father has been filed a case
You
against his son.
may have one stray case like that, sir, but I will not follow it. We'll lay down guidelines, yes.
That is only my submission, my lord. Some
Yes.
guidelines need to be framed.
Yes, yes,
I'm
that-
not on particular this fact of the case. Something
No
need
problem.
to be
We'll see.
settled, my lord.
Yes.
That is only.
They may require your assistance in that. Because I am not going to follow case and close it.
They come up and say that they have not been heard.
And that's the problem. If a complainant says they have not been heard, Adike, we'll see which crime is this. Who is the complainant? I'm going to hear everybody and pass out.
But I'm not on facts of this case, my lord. Generally, some guidelines need to be
I will
framed.
definitely, you also should be heard, complainant also should be heard. Courts cannot pass orders without hearing anybody.
Yes, my lord. Maybe on
Yakandre all
230.
these, you ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದೀರಲ್ಲ orders ಎಲ್ಲ,
Yes, my lord.
coordinate benches, even mine,
Yes, my lord.
even my orders.
First order has
I only followed coordinate bench orders.
First order has been passed by Justice, His Lordship Justice Mohan Chandagoda in
That's all right.
2013.
From then, it is happening. What is happening is straight away, we're following that and closing it. This has resulted in the complainants not being heard, another petition filed by complainants, recalling those orders. Why multiplicity? We'll hear everybody and
Yes,
do
my
it.
lords.
Yes.
I will implement, in the meantime, I will find out and implement the de facto
If you
complainant
had
rules.
found out and implemented de facto complaint, things were fine.
I will implement it, my lord. Maybe at 2:30, my lords. It may be,
2:30?
it may be settled, my lord, because my lord, lot of matters are coming. My lords,
Today I will not settle it.
No,
Let
my
the
lord.
complainant come.
on
Yes.
2:30, my lords.
You wanted 2:30. That we'll
30th.
see you come.